In this video, I will show you how to use the Twitter app. First, if you want to know about how to create your Twitter account, you can check out this video link. You can also find the video in the description below. Now, the first thing that you can do after joining Twitter is to follow some accounts. And you can always search for users and trends that you want to follow through this search feature. And after following some accounts, you should be able to see their tweets or posts on your home screen. And if you tap these three dots next to a post, you can perform all these tasks, including following, muting, and blocking the user. And if you go to their profile, you can perform the same tasks and more tasks like browsing their tweets and messaging them. And to post your own tweet, you need to tap this add button, then select tweet and go on to compose your tweet. And to your tweet, you can add a photo or a video, GIF, poll, and location. You can also attach a link to your tweet and add more tweets to your main tweet. And before posting your tweet, you can always choose its audience and also open reply to it. And back to this add button, you can also start your Twitter space. And to any tweet or post, you can like it, retweet or quote it, and reply to it. You can also share it and perform all these other tasks, including bookmarking it and pinning it to your profile. You can also see the number of likes, retweets, replies, and views it has gotten. And then down here, you can always see your recent likes, mentions, replies, and followers on this notification section. You can also find Twitter communities to follow and also find Twitter spaces to join or even create your own space. And on this bottom right corner, you can check your direct messages or even chat privately with your followers. And if you tap your profile picture above here, you can go to your profile and edit it and access other profile features. You can also access other features like Twitter Blue, List, and Twitter Circle. You can also access professional rules and make your Twitter account professional and monetize it. And if you go to settings and support, you can make a lot of settings on all these sections, including privacy and safety settings. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Twitter and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.